Right, hi guys, it's 84 King Martin here, and today I'm going to bring you a tutorial on Lemmings. It's a Lemmings video, a very different one. It's not a create level or anything like that. Today it's a tutorial level, and I'm going to show you guys, for any of you who use Lemmini or Lemmix to make levels, how to add tile sets onto Lemmix and Lemmini, because I had this problem earlier on and there's no videos up of it, so I thought I'd be helpful and make a video. Right, so if you wanted to add a tile set, say forest, which is the one I've got here, obviously you've got all your tile pieces and all this stuff, you've got your readme, but obviously in this bit there's no ini file. Now the ini bit is the confusing bit, because if you want to put this in Lemmix, you have to configure Lemmix so it will read the tile set when you open it up. So what you're going to want to do is go to a guy called Pat Guy's site, because this is the easier way that I do it. You can do it the hard way if you want, which is manually type all the ini up. But if you go to a guy called Pat Guy's site on YouTube, that's Pat Guy 765, he's got sets on there you can download, and handily he also includes ini file templates. So what you want to do is download any one you want. I've downloaded the Egyptian because it's got the ini file template in it that I want. When you've got that, use 7-zip to extract it. There you go. Then delete your zip file, because there's no need for it after that. You can basically just bung it in the bin. Then what you want to do is go to Egyptian, and at the bottom here you'll find this little file. That's the wrong one, excuse me. I think I might have accidentally deleted it. No, the readme file is here underneath Egyptian. So open this one up, and as you can see, he helpfully puts you in a little ini file, which is this bit here. Ignore all this stuff down here, and also how you change it, all that stuff. So what you want to do after then is right click on your mouse and open a text document up, or whatever you use. Then you want to copy and paste this into here, because this is the easiest way I can do it, and it's a hell of a lot more easier for anyone who will watch this video to add tile sets, especially people who are new to Lemmix and don't have a clue. I don't have a clue half the time, I only just learnt this. Right, after you've done that, save it. You have no more further use for this anymore, so you might as well delete it. I have no more further use for the Egyptian tile set, so I can delete that because I already have it added on. The one I want to adjust is forest. So what you do now is you rename this one to forest. Then you adjust this bit here, which is forest. I would lowercase this because it is the correct spelling. Right, after you've done that, exit this and save it again for the minute, because you don't need it for the moment, at least. Then what you want to do is go to where your Lemmix and your Lemmini and Lemmix files are. Right, then this is the tricky bit which will confuse a lot of people, which I'll show you how to do. On here you've got these three files: Lemmix, which is the level creator, Lemmix styles, which is your ini file configs, and another Lemmix files. I'm not quite sure what that is about. It's another sort of configuration setting thing, but I don't fuck with it. And you've got Lemmini. All these things here, your levels. What you want to do now is grab open styles. For me, it's the forest tile set, but whatever one you want, whatever one you're using, it will be the one that you're going to be putting here. So for me, forest, you drop and drag this into the styles folder, anywhere, and it will do. Right, once you've done that, go to your Lemmix styles, scroll down, do not adjust any of these here because you will fuck Lemmini up and Lemmini jar. Keep scrolling down till you find where the last tile set is that you added. For me, it is going to be the castle set that I added last. So what you want to do is click here, press return once, open your new text file up, which is this one, copy it or cut it. In my case, cut it's going to be the option. Then you want to paste it. Click down there and press return. Right, and now here's the other bit. So this bit here, which is double X, you will name it to 13. Or whatever number yours is. So if you've got one here which is 10, 9, 8 or whatever, if that says for instance 8, then the next one down here you will name 9, etc, etc. Right, this bit here, graphic set ID, it says double X, you want to change that to the same number as this bit here, where my mouse is highlighted. So for me it's going to be 13. All good. Right, once you've done that, click exit, hit save. And now the most important thing to do is, well, first of all delete this because you don't need it anymore. The most important thing now to do is to go into your Lemmini and to try and see if this tileset is working correctly. So what you do is you go into Lemmix, close that, go to file, or when you create a new level, then just hit level. For me it's Lemmini, so you hit that, then you scroll down and here is the magic. Right, underneath here is all your tile sets. So for me it's Epic, Techno, Egyptian, Castle and Forest. As you can see, the Forest one is now added onto Lemmix. Well, it was. There was a bit of a fault. Whether that is supposed to be a capital, I do not know. As you can see, it's already in there. So if I was you, I would probably capitalise that file. For me, I'm going to capitalise it and see if it works then, because I think it has to be capitals. Now if I can find where it is. Yep, I think it has to be a capital. So change this to capitals, Forest, and the same with this one here, capitalise it. Make sure it's capitals, save it. That was my mistake, I apologise. Right, now go to your Lemmini, open Lemmix, go to level, go to Lemmini, click on Forest, as you can see I am still getting problems with it because this is a pain. This happened earlier on, so there must be something else wrong. I know what it is, I changed the wrong one. My mistake, I know what I've done wrong. Right, do not do what I've just gone and done. I put it into graphic set ID extension. Right, you want to put it under graphic ID. Graphic set ID, then you want to change this to whatever number that is. So for me that's 13. So, but do not do this bit because that is where I messed up. So it's this bit here, and not that bit there. Right, so now I know my mistake. So now you've done that, click on this, save it. Now go to your Lemmix again. Hopefully for me this should be now correct. Click on File, Level, Lemmini for me, and I'm probably guessing the same for you, and that one. Click on Forest, and as you can see it's now added the forest tile set. And as you can see I've got all the forest tile sets I can use to make any level, and everyone's winner. So I got it there in the end, but excuse my mistake. Like I say, I'm still new to it. As you can see I botched up, so that's a bit of a tutorial for yourself. But that's how you add tile sets to Lemmini and Lemmix, because I had problems with this. I hope this is going to help someone out there. Like I say, just be careful not to make mistakes like I did, and if you've enjoyed this video, thanks for watching it. Leave a comment, and once again, cheers for checking it out, and until next time, I'll catch you again soon.